drink water. And I love you.
Wait, will you get me like ice cream?
Yeah.
The popsicle ones.
The popsicle?
The like chocolate ones, not the ice cream.
Not yet.
Right. Thanks.
Water.
Thanks, babe. Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna just clean it.
Okay. Enjoy. All right. Actually, we're gonna start with grabbing a bucket, sand bucket. Oh, excuse me. Reference. I think we can do this without a reference image. Let me just pull up my Twitch. edges. Oh. I need this. Hey! Welcome, Pyro. Sorry, I was a little focused on game. I didn't see you. I'm still in the Fallout category. That's interesting. How do we change that? That's how we change that. I wonder... Okay. Do we just do art? Art looks like it's a game. Meh! Let's see here. That looks like that is all set. Alright. So, we got this bucket going. Oh, I'm sorry. I just get so immersed in my work when I'm working on it. Trying to make all the fine details. I shouldn't be trying to make fine details. That's the thing, though. Alright. So... Oh, this is a weird looking bucket, isn't it? So we got those like that. I don't know if I like it. I'm doing alright. It's my Friday. So, figure start off a new stream. Oh, those shadows are being really weird. How you doing, Pyro? So what I'm trying to debate right now, I might want to move some of the verts around. Let's see. If I can, if we go Y, where are we going? We don't have a symmetrical vert there. Okay. If we do that, we're over. Okay. Let's see about. Okay, so we're on that axis. Da 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 da. Do not stay awake until 8 a.m., my dude. That is far too late to be awake. You were awake by the time I was done making tonight's dinner at work. If you were awake until 8 a.m. That is ludicrous. See, okay, so here's my deal. I want to use one of these flat sides, because we got, what, 8 of these flat sides. And I want to put, like, something like this. We'll have to squeeze it down a lot more. Is that all the way through? Or we'll lengthen it some. What I want to do is basically this. We go. Nope, nope. Other way around. I always forget which direction a boolean needs to go. There we go. I mean, we would clean it up a bit, but yeah, so we are making a sand bucket to use in our scene to basically have a clutter item. We're just starting off with a simple thing that's using modeling as the primary fundamental today. But okay, so here's the problem, right? So I want to do that. I want to do this basically. And have a hole on either side in the middle of the bucket. But then these are off center because I made them small. I don't know if I like it. I might. But like, you know what? I think it's fine. So, what we're gonna do, what do we want to go with? 8, I think? 8 would be good. Does that look straight? could do. Meh. I'll just eyeball it. Watching this hurts your sleep-deprived brain? Is it making you tired or stay awake? That looks good. Okay, can I... What do I need to do? I need to do that. Except... I want to see all the shapes. There we go. That's the one I want. Get that lined up. You're confused? Why is this confusing? This is just 3D modeling. This is what I do. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay. So that means we need to, we've angled it a bit up. Perspective is funky for you. Well, maybe you should have thought about that before you decide to stay awake until, oh god, it's too early in the morning for me. Alright, whatever, that's close enough. These holes are not exactly at the same position on either side, but that's okay. Alright, so what we'll do... Oh, also, you know what I could do in order to help us out? I'm just gonna color the Lambert. What color do we want it? What color should we make this bucket? This is just gonna be like the color that we use to work with. I don't actually like that green, to be honest. I'm looking for a color that is very different from my selector or my outline colors. That would be good. But then it also shows up very different from the background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna Boolean this. Yeah, but so my one of my highlight colors for the edges of a non-selected object is blue, and it is also my favorite color of blue, so I cannot have that be the color of my object while I'm working on it. Alright, so if we just Boolean that away, now we have some holes, and now we've got some messy vertices, so we'll just fix those with merge and make sure I didn't grab some extra ones. Merge. Merge. I am not the most fastest. I'm not the most efficient modeler, but you know what? I get the job done. I've lost the button. I need to learn about like some more hotkeys for all these things because there's like a zillion and one tools. Oh yeah, no. We're just using a placeholder color for right now, and then we'll get to texturing later on. I'm just gonna sort of make this quick model. That looks good. Okay, so, and I think I still have, yeah, so if I think if I dupe that, where'd you put that? Can I not see you because you're invisible? Yes. So, you're down here, aren't you? Okay. So I can't just take that cylinder. So that's fine. But what we're gonna do is we're going to delete by type, history, cool. And now we have bucket. Let's move that to the side for a moment. Yeah, I mean, I've already spent about, what, 20-30 minutes building this. But I spent way too much time on it. To be quite honest, I shouldn't have spent as much time as I did. I'm gonna drop this down to... What am I making right now? How do I want to do this? We'll do it like this. We'll do pretty much exactly what we did before. Oh, we need to turn symmetry back on to Y, I believe. Yep. I've clearly selected too many faces there. Okay. Damn it! No. Delete. That's the button we wanted. Alright. Is this gonna do that again? It did not. Perfect. This is where we can't do that, yeah, because it does that. So we'll turn off symmetry. There's a hole in the bucket, dear Eliza, dear Jane. There's a hole in the bucket, but we do that so that we can... so the problem that I really wish that we had a cylinder that like came like this instead of like this, because if you notice, this is a bunch of triangles, and triangles don't work very well for some other things in modeling. So I try and keep everything as quads, basically. Alright, oh, I need some more segment. Bum, 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 bum. I should have done this earlier. Here we go. Let's go with 20. Ooh, that did something funky. Why did that do something funky? Should I have not done this in that order? Yeah, I don't like what that is doing. I don't know why that did that. I mean, we can fix it, but... Oh, I need to... Okay, symmetry is off. There we go. Alright, what we're making right now is going to be a rope. I still don't feel like I've gotten enough segments in here. And it... Okay. We're gonna back up a whole bunch. And do this correctly this time. I'm gonna go all the way back to there, I think. Well, let's see if we can do this. If I have to rebuild it, I'll rebuild it. It'll suck, but I'll rebuild it. Oh, actually, you know what I should be able to do? Should be able to do that. Nope. Okay, then we'll do it this way. That's gonna be a lot. Okay, we're gonna rebuild this. Let's make a new one. We'll do things the correct way. Oops, can I have that back, please? Thank you. We're gonna go with, let's do 100 segments. There we go. Okay, back to where we started. Symmetry, Y, faces. Edges. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah. I'm curious. No, we don't want that one either. Okay, we definitely want 0. If we're building, if it's 8 across, or 8 around. 8 across. Dude, just go to bed. I'm telling you. Oh, okay, getting the right one. It's very important. Okay, so, nope, we don't want to play with UVs just yet. Make a nice long rope. This is probably going to be way longer than we actually need it to be. What am I talking about? The bucket's this tiny. We don't need a rope that long. It's just going over the little, whatever. Okay, let's add a, God, it's been forever since I've done this. We're going to add a curve, a bend. Oh, what is it called? Non-linear deformer bend. There we go. Can I have that? Where is it? Okay, so if we... how do I use these again? Oh. Deform. How do we do this? I don't remember. How do we use a deformer? Curvature. There we go. Perfect. All right. So, I think, well, what we can do actually is we can scale up our bucket. There we go. Does that curve look good to you? Looks pretty good to me. Might have to scale things a little bit. We were close on the first try. Okay. Getting perspective is difficult. Okay, so if we scale this up a little bit, maybe we'll deform this a little bit differently. Where's my deformer? I know I just had it. I don't know what happened to it. Where did my curve setting go? Oh, is it up? No. There we go. That should be roughly good. And then we'll just make the fine-tune adjustments on this guy. This is not a great way to do this. Just saying. Okay, and if we thicken that a bit. Cool. Bum, 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 bum. I really love this music. Thank you for turning me on to it, Pyro. That's not going to do anything besides that. Okay. Okay, I think that that is the curve that we want. Perfect. Okay, I think if I do that, yeah, that will do that. So, what we're gonna do is edit, delete by type history. Group those. Rotate that. Let's also, if we scale all this down together, we should really delete this history as well. Oops. And voila! Unblock it! The music we're listening to right now is the Enchanted Fantasy Music Stargate Epic Emotional Instrumental by Grim Music World. And to be honest, it's pretty chill and dope. Just saying. Alright, so I am going to play with some verts. Oh, did I make this 8 or 6? Am I a dingus? I might be a dingus. This whole thing should have been 6. Can I change that now? Probably not. Probably not. Yeah, I don't think I can. There's probably a way. I just don't know what it is. So that means something frustrating is going to have to happen. Okay, vertices. So what I'm gonna do. Bum, 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 bum. What do I want to do? Let's start by combining these objects. How do I do that? Spooling them. But that's gonna create some weird geometry for me, isn't it? Sometimes I hate this camera system. Yeah, because what do we got going on here? That. Which is not phenomenal. Okay, let's undo the boolean. Let's why is my... Okay, sometimes buttons work, and sometimes they don't. You can do some pretty weird stuff. In 3D modeling. So, if we just... Oh, I don't know what to do. I've made a problem and I don't know how to fix it. This is what happens when you don't plan anything. Let's look at this. See what we got. What can we play with? Because, yeah, we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. And then 6. Bugger! Yeah, listen. I don't like planning. It takes too much time. Wait, do I have 8 there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god! I'm an idiot. We have 8 and 8. We don't have to worry about shit. We did 8 on both of them. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is... let's just do some target welding. I will take... this one. Turn off soft select. Okay. And then we'll have to clean things up later on. Ah! That's okay. Have I bollocks this? Yeah, that was the wrong. Nope, that was the right point. This is not the way to do 3D modeling. I just want everyone to be aware that this is atrocious. Okay. This is not working out. What I'm gonna do, actually, if I can have this. Oh, you know what I could do? I could do something intelligent instead of dumb, like I've been doing. We're gonna take all of these verts. Right? No, we're gonna take all of these verts. And we're just going to do this. Why isn't that working? Oh, we're on a slant, so that's great. Okay, I had a plan in mind. I'll tell you that much. I had a plan in mind. And this is not what I had planned. Believe it or not. Okay. Bum, bum, ba, da, 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 da. We'll take all of these verts. No, I don't. I only want this object. That'll work. Just, you know, move that over there. That sounds good, right? Listen, I know it looks atrocious right now. We're going to fix this. What we just did there, we're going to do over here as well. Snap those to flat. Actually, I don't want these ones, I think. Yeah. Just move those over there. Sounds good? Sounds good. Okay. Let's grab those and soft select that. Okay. Okay. We have the makings. We have the start. So, what I'm gonna do is we're basically just going to delete these faces. All of those faces. We're gonna turn off soft select. Delete those. Now, we have something that is going to be so much easier to work with. Can I target weld to two different objects? No. Okay, that's fine. What we'll do is we'll select both of these, combine them, and then we will target weld them, and we'll have our bucket! Okay, well, before we do that, we should make sure these skirts are merged. It should have happened earlier, but it didn't. Merge, merge. I don't know if I'm working with something that's too small, I think. That's why my camera's going all haywire. That is a bucket handle. It's going into the interior. But again, we can fix that in just a moment. It'll be really easy, particularly if we use symmetry. Okay, so like planning I did, preparation I did not. That's the key difference between what I failed to do and what you do. I was not prepared. Okay. Perfect. So we'll just do what we've done a million times before. Oh, why can't I bridge this? Because we've got normals going into normals. Okay, so what we'll do then instead, let me just make sure we don't need target weld. That's what's going on. If we do that one, are we still doing? Oh, it should be Y if anything, right? Nope. Okay, we'll just have to do this twice. All of that, which is good. We'll delete all of this. Like I said, I'm not the fastest, I'm not the smoothest, cleanest, or best modeler, but you know what? I'm still in school, I'm still learning. I'm allowed to screw up 16,000 times. while everyone else is amazing, because I will never be amazing. Okay. And using a couple of simple methods. Oh, I kind of like that. It looks like it's a screw now. Nope, just want that and that. Bridge. Bring that down to 0. Alright. Just to sort of mess this up a bit, I'm just gonna give a little bit of waggle to the old rope handle. There. Now looks, it's got a little bit of a dimension going on to it. What else do we want to do to this bucket? Let's see what happens. Ugh, that looks awful. So, just a couple of minor details. Put a couple of extra edge loops in there. Wow, that looks weird. I'm not too worried because I don't even know if we're going to really keep this as a, I don't think I'm going to turn this into a smooth texture. Is that what we want? That looks mighty fine by me. And there we have it. That is our bucket. And we will skin it and texture it, use UV mapping. Well, let's see. I think we can do a quick UV mapping of this. It's been a little while since I've touched UVs, so. It's actually pretty clean to start. Let's see, where is this? That's what we want. Could use that one too. I like it. Here we go. Okay, well. Okay, so we're gonna go with this one, I think. So let's go camera based, see what that looks like. What do we got down here? A few too many extra things. I don't need any of these. Yeah, you played this one earlier on your stream. Okay, so what? That's nothing. That's not what we want. Can I have this, but in here, please? Perfect. Except I think I like it there. Okay, perfect. So, like, I like that one. I don't really need that. No, okay. done something that we shouldn't have. Okay, we're just gonna do that. That's good enough. That makes it an easy enough thing to paint. Let's see. I just want to see. We'll throw that over there. Okay, so what are you? That one versus that one. Okay, so that's just splitting the rope left and right. That's good. Alright, so that was a really simple and basic UV texturing. We can probably clean it up a little bit. There's a couple of excess pieces here and there. But this will be really, really easy to paint in Photoshop, to be honest. So, why did that go? Oh no! I can't grab the top of that anymore. What happened? I don't know what happened there. It just sort of went over there for a while, for some reason. And we'll just throw that down there as well. Nope, not there. There. Okay. So, that is our bucket. It's a rough modeling job, but it's there. It's a bucket. We'll texture it off camera. This session, this stream was mostly just about doing a little bit of basic modeling. Tomorrow we will be, let's see. I mean, so we will be modeling something in every video, obviously. But like next video, we'll be doing something a little bit more along the lines of sculpting. We might be using Mudbox instead of Maya to make something that sort of resembles a sandcastle. Mudbox works a little bit differently than Maya. It's more powerful in some ways and less powerful in other ways. But it will be able to do things that are a little bit more organic, more sculpting. It's a lot more like working with clay, whereas this is a little bit different. So yeah, we'll make a sandcastle next time. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you for joining me, Pyro. Sorry for not talking to you too much. That's the hard thing with Maya for me, is I'm still like, oh, you know, just, I love it. It's a lot of fun, but I'm still learning so much. And this just looks a little wacky. Maybe I shouldn't have done those little squiggly bits. That might have made it a little bit harder to paint later on. But we will texture this throughout the day tomorrow, and then at 8 o'clock we will stream again tomorrow. And I'll show off the texturing that I'll be working on tomorrow during the day of this bucket, and show you how we can transform something like this into something that actually looks good. This is just a mesh. This is just a model. This is what all your things in video games look like when they start. Pieces of shit. Texturing is where a lot of detail comes from. So we are just going to remember to save the scene. This is our bucket. Perfect. And to send us out, we are going to see something that I worked on earlier today. Just some little turtles swimming around. These turtles are working in a particle system, which I thought was pretty neat. That's my homework assignment for today, for this week, was to basically model these turtles. I still need to texture them. And they're a little bit laggy because I'm running 16 different things at once right now between streaming and Maya, which is a beast of a program, and then trying to watch this video. But yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.